Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a website for special education instructor using Wix Website Builder. With Wix Website Builder, you will be able to get started for completely free. All you'll need to do is go onto wix.com, and from there you can create an account using your email address. After you have created your account, you're going to tap on Create New Site. After selecting Create New Site, I want you to tap on Build with the Wix editor. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to this page and you're going to tap on Set Up Without Chat. After selecting Set Up Without Chat, you can type in Special Education Instructor in the search bar. So you can see right there, Special Needs Instructor. You have numerous options you can choose from. Then you will tap on Continue. After you have done that, what would you like your site to be called? You can type in whatever you want. Then you can also describe what it is about and tap on Continue. Once you have done that, you can select the goals of your site. So let's say you want to get booking online. You also want to offer online courses. If it is a case that you wanted to sell products, you could select that, or sell membership or collect donation. You can select whichever option. Then you'll tap on Continue. And what else do you need to manage in your business? Do you want to host virtual sessions, sync your personal calendar, advertise on Google, or create a link in bio? You can select either one. Then you'll tap on Finish. After you have selected Finish, you're going to give it a few seconds. Then you'll be redirected to your website dashboard. Once on your website dashboard, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option. And the first thing you're going to do is hover over Catalog, and you're going to select Booking Services. This is where you'll be able to add the services that you want to offer. So let's say, for example, one of the services that I want to offer, let's say it is reading assessment. We can select that. Then after you have done that, you could edit it. You could edit the name. You could change the image if you want. And you can also add a quick description. You can change the duration also, and by scrolling down you will be able to set the price that you want to charge. And if it is a case that you have more than one staff member, you could tap right here and you could create a new staff member and you could assign them to a service. Once you're finished, you'll tap on Save. After you have saved it, you can continue editing and adding more services by tapping on Add a New Service. You could add a different service also. So let's say, for example, I would like to add the study skills coaching. So I could tap on that and I could edit the name once more, and the steps remain the same, just like what we had talked about a while ago. Then we'll tap on Save anyways. After you have added some services, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option, and from here in the future you can select Booking Calendar. And this is where you'll be able to view your bookings. So you can see them right there. So we could tap on Skip to Calendar. And this is where you'll be able to view your bookings. Now to accept payments, you'll need to set up your payment method. And to do this, you're going to tap on Getting Paid. Then you're going to tap on Connect Payment Method. After selecting Connect Payment Method, depending on the country you're located in, you'll see different payment options. Because I'm located in Jamaica, I'll be able to offer TelePay and PayPal. But if you're located in, for example, Canada or the United Kingdom, you'll see a wider array of payment methods that you can offer. Once you're finished setting it up, you're going to tap on Home in the top left-hand corner. Then you're going to tap on Design Site in the top right-hand corner. And you're going to tap on Pick a Template. After selecting Pick a Template, you can see there are numerous templates that you can choose from. So you can scroll down till you have found a template of your liking. Let's say, for example, I were to use this template. I'll tap on Edit. If it is a case that you would like the Wix AI to write content for you, you could tap in the box right here and type in some information about your site. Then tap on Generate Site. If you don't want that, you can simply close the pop-up, tap on the plus 50% in the top right-hand corner, and you can start editing your website. To edit your Wix website is quite straightforward. All you need to do is hover over the section you want to change, tap on Quick Edit, and then from there you can change the text if you want. You can also select the next section and you could change the image, and again you can change the text just like that on the right hand column. It's as easy as that to edit your website. Simply tap on the section you want to change, go over to the right hand column, and you can make the changes. Once you're finished, if it is a case that you would like to add text or image to a particular section, all you need to do is go over to the left hand column, tap on Add Elements. From here, you can drag and place any one of these elements anywhere you want on your Wix website. And also, to view all the pages on your website, you will tap on the third icon from the top left hand corner, which is Pages and Menu, and there you'll see all of your pages. And if it is a case that you would like to create a new page, you could tap on Add Page, and you can see the different pages that you can quickly add onto your website. Once you're finished creating your website, you're going to tap on Preview, and if it is to your liking, you'll tap on Publish, and your website will now be live. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank